And any shopping trips away from the block, the foreman want to know about it.
Where are you going?
I have an appointment at Freedom.
I've got some hand sanitizer for you.
Oh, I thank you.
Take that with you. From now on, when you go shopping, you just go out, do your shopping, come straight back to site. Otherwise, you'll be getting phone calls off down to myself.
Yep, no worries. So today, Freedom have opened up just for us block girls, and we're all going in at staggered times.
So we got an email saying that we had a Freedom appointment. It was in house order 1 to 5. And yeah.
Yeah, so they've gone house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's like, well, it's not fair.
I was concerned that perhaps house 1, 2, 3 and, you know, would get it in first and would pick some of the items that I perhaps had my eye on. And I guess it just came to mind that perhaps it wasn't fair doing it that way.
All these staggered appointments, because you're missing out on all the stock.
And I just brought it
to
people's attention.
OK, so first Freedom appointment, Tash from house 1.
Because it's a low-lying bed, you might as well go to the low-lying bedside as well, so you don't want to get it too high.
It was really good that they opened up for us so we could have a proper look around the showroom and talk to them about it.
Next, Sarah from house 2.
This is a really beautiful colour. The dahlia, it's very comfortable. Does that come in a 3-seater? Yeah.
Picked out just a couple of styling items, and then I also picked out my lounge for the living room. So pretty pumped by that one.
So the next appointment should be Jade from house 3. Oh dear.
I got my car ready to go. I was all ready to head out the door. And can you please not come yet?
Did your time change that day?
It did change. I took over Jade and I felt terrible. Like, you know, it's a hard... I did feel bad that I'd gone in front of her. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh.
So next should be Jade from house 3. Uh-oh, Tam from house 5 has arrived at her original appointment time.
This is my chair. Oh, and I bought other stuff. Oh, it's getting done up. No, I'm happy.
Oh, yeah. Everyone who was after me is here before me. What a surprise.
Which leaves Jade with the last appointment of the day.
Whinge and moan and bitch and you'll get what you want. If you don't, you won't.
How come you were so late going to Freedom? Why did you keep getting pushed back?
The squeaky wheel gets the oil.
I don't think it's fair that if you moan about it because you aren't going to get what you want, well, that's not my fault. Me, I'm clearly too nice, and I got left to last, and I was third.
Do you think Jade was angry about being pushed to the last appointment?
Maybe she was angry, but
Jade gets angry.
No, I don't know. I can't imagine Jade getting angry, but I'm sure she does.
I was supposed to be here at 11:30. Yeah, I know you know. Everyone knows the list that they got sent and the emails that got sent, your appointment times. Mine was at 11:30. Hence why I'm not very happy right now. But that's okay. That's what you get for being too nice. Story of my life.
So moving forward, because obviously you were being too nice and you ended up going last, what are you going to do different?
Oh, you know, I just have to, I don't know.
Do nothing. You won't do anything.
No,
you won't call them bitches. You'll just...
No, I won't, because I'm too nice.